Hello everyone, hope all of you are safe at your home. Welcome back to our summary video. Dear students, do you remember how many measurements required to draw a triangle? Yes, 3 measurements is enough to draw a triangle. Then a natural question arises. 4 measurements are sufficient to draw a unique quadrilateral figure? To find the answer, check the board. Here one rectangle and one parallelogram are there, same measurements. You can see AB for both the shape it is 35 centimeter and AD 23 centimeter. So using same measurement we can draw 2 types of quadrilateral. That means 4 measurements are not sufficient to draw a unique quadrilateral. Then 5 measurements are enough to draw a unique quadrilateral. To find the answer, we will start our summary video of chapter number 4, Practical Geometry. First, look at the mind map of the chapter. In this chapter, we have learned that when 4 sides and 1 diagonal given, how to draw a quadrilateral. When 2 diagonals and 3 sides are given, how to draw a quadrilateral. When 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles are given, how to draw a quadrilateral. Next, 3 sides and 2 included angles are given, how to draw a quadrilateral. And in the last part we have learned when other special properties are given, how to draw a quadrilateral. Here 4 sides and 1 diagonal are given. Check the measurement. PQ is equal to 8 centimeter, QR 12 centimeter, RS 10 centimeter, PS 11 centimeter and PR 14 centimeter. So using your previous knowledge, first we will draw triangle PQR. Now the 4th point S will be the opposite side of Q with the reference of the diagonal PR, and we can see in the measurement S is 11 centimeter far from the point P. So take center as P and draw an arc with the radius 11 centimeter. The point S will be anywhere on the arc. Again we can see from the measurement list, S will be 10 centimeter far from the point R. So take R as a center and draw an arc with the radius 10 centimeter. Both the arc will intersect each other and the intersecting point is our S. So now join P and S points and R and S points. So PQRS is the required quadrilateral. Next, 2 diagonals and 3 sides are given. Check the measurement list. BC 9 centimeter, AD 11 centimeter, CD 10 centimeter and the diagonals are AC 11 centimeter, BD 14 centimeter. So again using our previous knowledge, first we will draw triangle BCD. To find the 4th point, again we can see the 4th point A is located opposite side of C with the reference of the diagonal BD. So the point A is far from the point D 11 centimeter. Using this measurement, take D as a center, draw an arc with the radius 11 centimeter. So the point A will be on the arc anywhere. Now using the second diagonal measurement, that is AC equal to 11 centimeter, take C as a center and draw another arc with the radius of 14 centimeter. A will be on this arc anywhere, right? Now we can see both the arc intersecting each other at a point. Our fourth point is the intersecting point. So mark as A and complete the quadrilateral ABCD. So ABCD is the required quadrilateral. Third, two adjacent sides and three angles are given. Here MI equal to 7 cm, IS is 13 cm and angle M 75 degree, angle I 105 degree, angle S 120 degree. So using these measurements we are going to draw a quadrilateral. Start with the first measurement, MI equal to 7 cm. First draw MI equal to 7 cm, then make an angle 105 degree at the point I. Then cut IS 13 centimeter. After that we have to draw angle S equal to 120 degree at the point S, and one more angle at the point M 75 degree. To extend the lines of both the angles, it will intersect at the point T. So MIST is the required quadrilateral. Three sides and two included angles are given. AB is equal to 8 cm, BC is equal to 10 cm, CD is equal to 13 cm, and angles are angle B is equal to 105 degree, angle C is equal to 80 degree. We will start from the measurement BC is equal to 10 cm. First draw the line 10 cm. Next we have to make an angle 105 degree at the point B and another angle 80 degree at the point C. Now to locate the point A, take the measurement 8 cm from the point B, and to locate the point D, take the measurement 13 cm from the point C. Add both the points A and D. So ABCD is the required quadrilateral. In the online class already we have learned that how to draw a figure quadrilateral by using the special properties. So dear students, please practice all the figures properly using all the given conditions. Till then, take care, bye, and thank you for watching this video.